Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on our Release of Information form for mental health. A Release of Information form is a legal document. Your patients can use it to authorize you to disclose their mental health information to someone else. This may be the patient's new therapist or counselor, their employer, their insurance company, or someone else entirely. Here we can see our PDF Release of Information form. Let's go through the different sections of this form now. The first section is for your patient's information, including their name, date of birth, address, and contact number. The next section is for your patient to nominate their authorized organization. This is the person or organization who will be sending the information. This section also includes the specific information to be shared and the reason for the disclosure. The disclosure section names the receiving person or organization. This is where the information will be sent. Have your patient fill out a new form for each receiving organization they want their information to be shared with. The expiration section provides your patient with the opportunity to set a time limit on the authorization, or to set it until it is revoked in writing. The statement of rights reiterates the patient's rights to revoke their authorization and other important points to do with the authorization process. Finally, there are two ways to sign this document. If the patient is able, they can sign for themselves. Otherwise, a guardian or legal representative can sign on their behalf. To illustrate what this template might look like when it's finished, we have included a sample Release of Information form for mental health. In this example, the patient is a child. Their mother is requesting the transfer of their information to their new providers. Feel free to pause the video at any point to read this in more detail. When it comes to sharing patient information, it's important to use a secure method to send the data. We recommend keeping patient health information digital by using a HIPAA-compliant software such as Carepatron. I'll show you how to access this form and many others from within Carepatron now. First, we'll head to the Templates tab using the menu on the left. Make sure you're filtering by Community Templates to see Carepatron's full template library. You can then search by keyword in the search bar. Once you've found the template you'd like to use, you can hover over it and click Choose Template. You'll then be prompted to select the patient you'd like to attach this form to. And here it is. The template is all right here, and you can fill it in from within this draft tab. When you're done, you can hit Publish.